All right, authorized personnel. Let's go ahead. Another authorized personnel. Whole bunch of machines. And there's a whole bunch of tools. Maybe we can find some tools that'll work for us. Go ahead and stretch it and expand. Okay, make sure you wear all your safety gear. There's welding helmet, respirator. So I welded it up, make sure. Okay, so I'm working on Miata today. Have this aftermarket catalytic converter, and it's just rattling inside. So the core looks like it has shifted. So we're gonna go ahead and re-weld that. And then we're going, these custom adapters I made are not fitting correctly. It needs to be stretched a little more. I made little slip adapters. And we're gonna expand it out so it slides directly over this inlet.